Can an LLC pay salary to an owner? Yes, an LLC can pay salary to an owner, but only if the LLC elects to be taxed as an S corporation or C corporation. In that case, the owner who actively works in the business is considered an employee and must be paid a reasonable salary through payroll. This salary is subject to payroll taxes just like any other employee's wages. For example, if your LLC is taxed as an S-corp, you could pay yourself a salary of $50,000 and then take additional profits as distributions. The salary is taxed with payroll taxes, but the distributions are not subject to self-employment tax, which may reduce your overall tax burden. If your LLC is taxed in its default form, single member or multi-member, owners are treated as self-employed and typically take draws instead of salaries. Choosing the right structure depends on your income and long-term tax planning. Zen Business can help you elect the right tax status and set up payroll properly for LLC owners. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.